Plant FAQs. Bolbitis heudelotii. What is Bolbitis heudelotii? For any aquascaper or aquarium hobbyist, the hunt for visually stunning and low-maintenance plants is a constant pursuit. Enter Bolbitis heudelotii, a captivating aquatic fern with a reputation for easy care and breathtaking aesthetics. Its verdant, ruffled fronds add a touch of elegance and texture to any underwater scape. But beyond its beauty, Bolbitis heudelotii offers a haven for herbivorous fish and shrimp, providing both shelter and a natural food source. Over the years, cultivating this remarkable fern in my own aquariums has become a source of immense satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned aquascaper or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving colony of Bolbitis heudelotii in your underwater world. Native to the slow-moving, blackwater rivers of West Africa, Bolbitis heudelotii thrives in environments with subdued lighting and soft, slightly acidic water. Its creeping rhizome, the horizontal stem-like structure, attaches itself to rocks, driftwood, or other hardscape elements. From this rhizome, delicate, translucent green fronds unfurl, creating a mesmerizing textural contrast within the aquarium. Bolbitis heudelotii versus deformis. I've found Bolbitis heudelotii to be a true aquatic gem in my tank, with its delicate, fern-like fronds adding a lush, green touch, while Bolbitis deformis, or water sprite, has a more robust and faster-growing nature, quickly filling out any space with its feathery leaves. Choosing healthy specimens. When selecting Bolbitis heudelotii at your local fish store, keep an eye out for plants with vibrant green fronds. Avoid specimens with brown or yellowing leaves, as this could indicate poor health or nutrient deficiencies. The rhizome should be firm and free of any visible damage or mushiness, creating the ideal habitat. Water parameters. Bolbitis heudelotii flourishes in soft, slightly acidic water with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. Ideally, the water temperature should be maintained between 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Lighting. While Bolbitis heudelotii can adapt to a broader range of lighting conditions, it truly shines in low to moderate light settings. Excessive light can lead to stunted growth and the development of algae on the fronds. How to grow Bolbitis heudelotii. Unlike most aquarium plants, Bolbitis heudelotii shouldn't be buried directly into the substrate. The rhizome, where new growth originates, needs to be exposed to the water column for optimal health. Here's how to properly plant it. Choose an attachment point. Select a piece of driftwood, rock, or another sturdy element in your aquarium. Ensure the surface is clean and free of algae or debris. Secure the plant. Carefully position the Bolbitis heudelotii onto the chosen attachment point, ensuring the rhizome is in direct contact with the surface. Utilize plant weights. Optional if the plant isn't staying put, you can use plant weights to hold it in place until the rhizome attaches itself securely. Cotton thread or fishing line can also be used for temporary anchoring. Patience is key. Allow the Bolbitis heudelotii some time to establish itself. New growth will typically appear from the rhizome within a few weeks. How to care for Bolbitis heudelotii. With minimal maintenance, your Bolbitis heudelotii will thrive for years to come. Here are some key practices to keep your fern flourishing. Regular water changes. Perform regular water changes, around 25% weekly, to maintain good water quality and remove accumulated waste products. Fertilization. Optional, while not strictly necessary, a balanced liquid fertilizer dosed once a week can further enhance growth. Opt for a product specifically formulated for aquarium plants. CO2 injection. Optional, supplementing your tank with CO2 can accelerate growth and enhance the overall health and vibrancy of your Bolbitis heudelotii. However, CO2 injection requires careful monitoring and is not essential for its survival. Trimming and propagation. Bolbitis heudelotii is a relatively slow-growing plant, but occasional trimming may be necessary to maintain its desired shape and size. Use sharp, disinfected scissors to remove any unwanted or damaged fronds. Interestingly, this process also serves as a means of propagation. The trimmed sections of the rhizome, containing at least 1 or 2 healthy buds, apical meristems, can be attached to new hardscape elements, effectively creating new Bolbitis heudelotii plants. What to plant with Bolbitis heudelotii? Due to its low-light preference and peaceful nature, Bolbitis heudelotii offers a wealth of planting companions. Here are some excellent choices to consider. Foreground plants. Low-growing carpeting plants like dwarf hairgrass, Eleocharis parvulus, or S. repens will create a lush green carpet in the foreground, contrasting beautifully with the textured fronds of the Bolbitis heudelotii. Midground plants. Stem plants like water wisteria, Hygrophila deformis, or Rotala rotundifolia can add pops of color and interesting shapes to the midground, creating a sense of depth within the aquarium. Other ferns. For a truly captivating fern forest aesthetic, consider incorporating other aquatic ferns like Java fern, Microsorum terapus, or Microsorum trident. Mosses. Mosses like Christmas moss, Vesicularia dubiana, or Taxiphyllum barbieri can be attached to the same hardscape as the Bolbitis heudelotii, creating a natural and visually appealing biofilm. Potential challenges and solutions. While generally a hardy plant, Bolbitis heudelotii can encounter a few minor challenges. Here's how to address them. Algae growth. Excessive light or nutrient imbalances can lead to algae growth on the Bolbitis heudelotii fronds. Reduce lighting intensity, increase water changes, and address any nutrient deficiencies to combat algae. Melting leaves. Sudden changes in water parameters, particularly a shift to harder or more alkaline water, can cause existing leaves to melt. Ensure water parameters are stable and within the recommended range for Bolbitis heudelotii. Slow growth. Insufficient lighting or a lack of essential nutrients can hinder growth. Implement a moderate lighting regime and consider using a balanced aquarium plant fertilizer. Conclusion. Bolbitis heudelotii offers a unique combination of beauty, ease of care, and versatility for any aquascape. With its graceful fronds and ability to thrive in low-light environments, it's a true asset for both beginners and experienced aquascapers alike. By following the guidelines outlined in this guide, you can cultivate a thriving colony of Bolbitis heudelotii that will add a touch of elegance and natural wonder to your underwater world. So, embrace the allure of Bolbitis heudelotii and watch your aquarium transform into a verdant paradise.